Hi everybody, this is Alpaka, back another day with another unboxing, another Alpaka gear product. And it makes me so happy time after time when they prove to us, when they show us clearly that they listen to their customers. They listen to me. So to start off, my thoughts about this. So this is my everyday carry bag. It's big. It's their thick pouch max, I think. And the thing with big bags, or you always seem to find a solution or a need to fill the bag to the maximum. So this one is a bit big to have as a sling bag or like this. I usually carry it like this. But it is my everyday carry bag. And sometimes when I want to be more slim, more discreet, like today when I was at the beach, and I used my flight pouch. And I really like the flight pouch. Usually just have my phone, car keys, but then I find, so I have allergy medicine. You can see at my eyes, the allergy season is maximum now. So I have allergy medicine, nose spray, small pocket knife, usually larger than this one. So I find things that I still need to have with me, even though I just want something easy and yeah. And usually I carry it like this around my wrist as well. And I've been in contact with Alpaka gear about two things with this one. I've asked for one slightly bigger, and they said, well, we have the flight sling, no, flight pouch. No, what is it called? This is the flight pouch. So I have a flight sling, yeah. 2 liter, that is too big, and 1 liter. And 1 liter is still too big. I like this size. This is 0.3 liter. So I like this size. I just want it to be a little bit more stretchable material maybe. That's it. Yeah. And then the wrist strap is a little bit too long. I would like to have, can I fit this? No, I can't. I would like to have this size wrist strap instead. This one is perfect. So minor things, and the thing about the wrist strap, actually that is, yeah. As you see, the smaller size makes it safer. You don't get it off your wrist as easy. This one too loose. You get it off too easy. So I want a flight pouch, the same size, just a little bit more stretchable, a little bit wider, and I want a shorter wrist strap. Here we maybe have it, maybe, I don't know it yet. So this is the Flight Pouch Pro in a nice blue color, because another thing when I use this, I have a black one as well. So when I'm a little bit more dressed up and I don't want to have something hanging around my wrist or showing, I can have this one on me and hide it under a shirt or under a jacket. Then I remove this. Really easy to remove. So like this, it doesn't show, it doesn't bother anything. But a better color then I don't like black. Everybody likes black. I don't. So I usually go with green, but green a little bit too military to be dressed up, casual. So this one is supposed to be blue, but it's really dark. The color is moonlight blue. So the deal with the Flight Pouch Pro is that it's the same size as the Flight Pouch. Yeah, more or less at least. No, it is the same size. It's supposed to be the exact same size that comes to measures. And then we have the stretchable material. Yeah, this is nice. So this one is really slim. Let me remove these as well. You see as easy it is to remove those? Really, really slim. Flat. And when you have your phone in it or whatever, still flat. And the new one is still flat. It's just that the material is not as tight. So a little bit stretchable material. Yeah. And the opening, that was also a request from me, that the opening should, or was it maybe another Alpaka gear thing? No, I wanted the opening to be a little bit, want the zipper to go down a little bit more, so it can open a little bit wider, and here we have that as well. So the zippers go down a little bit more on both sides. And on the inside we have the shoulder strap. The mid part has pockets. This one has pockets as well, but just two. And I have wet wipes there. The new one has two pockets on one side, so you can have your cards there, and two pockets on the other side. Wet wipes or cards or whatever you want to have there. And now the feeling of this, the strength of it is the same. Then on one side we have two pockets. The zipper part where I usually have my cash. And that's it. And then on the outside we have a wrist strap that is the same. Yeah, it's just the same. And I've been thinking myself to maybe just put a sim here or something to have the opening slightly smaller. But I will get in touch with Alpaka about that as well. And then we have the pocket on the outside that is magnetic, where you can have your passport, driver license, whatever. So this is my new everyday carry bag when I don't use this one. So wrist strap still slightly too long. And we have the crossbody strap as well. And how they come, you are supposed to, yes, the same here. So you're supposed to have either the shoulder strap or the wrist strap. So what I've done with my old one is that I've put a third quick snap, so I can have both shoulder strap and the wrist strap on at the same time. And with the new one, we get them that like you're supposed to get them, with only two of them. So I will order a wrist strap, And I would ask them again if they have a shorter wrist strap. But yeah, I like this. I really like this. It's just the way I want it, more or less. Same size, just stretchable material so I can fit a little bit more in it. And if I don't use that extra size, it's just still as flat. I really like that. I have done a bunch of Alpaka gear unboxing videos. I've been with them since their first Kickstarter bag. Yeah, so I've been with them for a long time. So I have a discount link for you. I used to have discount promo code that was temporary and for specific products. Now when you go into that link, everything on Alpaka Gear site is with discount. And you don't have to remember to enter a code or anything. You just go on that link and everything is already with a discount price. That is really nice. And I like that Alpaka Gear listen to their customers. So this is really good. Maybe I would like it now I'm just stupid, but a little bit more blue and less discreet. But this is what I asked for. I asked for something discreet but not black. And I like dark blue. So this is absolutely dark blue. And I wanted the same size, use stretchable material. It's this shorter wrist strap that I want. That's the only thing that I can complain about. But I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy with Alpaka Gear in general, how they prove time after time after time that they listen to their customers' needs. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. I will see if I do a B-roll. No, you have seen it all. You've seen the inside of them both. It's the same. You use more pockets on the mid part on this one. And the old one, the slim one, has no pockets on the other side. This one has two. That's it. This is good. Axoflux 400D is the material. I don't know if it's waterproof or water protected. The zipper is absolutely waterproof. And it's soft, it's nice, I really like it. If you have any questions, let me know. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.